Okay, we're getting a little closer. We're gonna get these fenders. I got them all ready to go. We're gonna throw them on this bed and be that much closer to being done. That's the big thing, other than a bunch of little stuff to go. So we'll get this done today and excited about it. I've got a set of these, basically a bolt. I just cut the head off and rounded the end over. So it'll be a guide. I can thread these in. And then when I go to hang them, I just got to center these up on the holes and slide it into place. And they'll hang off these grooves. I'll hold them in place while I'm messing around getting the rest of these bolts in. Well, there we got the fenders on, and with that 2-inch lowering shackle on the rear, kind of set everything fairly level. The whole thing could come down a little bit, but I'm happy with that. Got the step on. Both sides. I was concerned about that seam, but that looks nice and clean. Got a couple of bolts left to put in that go to fender braces, but I need to get underneath the back of this, so I will jack it up, pull the wheels off, get in there and paint the undercoating on the back side of the bed and a few other little things I need to do underneath there. So I'll get that all done at the same time. So now I just need to finish up the tailgate. Got it sitting over there. I'm gonna clear it when I do the hood, and that'll be the last of the painting. Pretty excited about that.